since we started with just a simple idea, folks have said that it couldn't be done. You could not electrify machinery over 40,000 pounds to be able to still get the job done. Yet here we are today, right now opening up the first assembly site where we will be creating these wonderful machinery here on US soil with US hands. I just want to say we could not have been here. We could not have gotten it done if it wasn't for the help of the friends that we've made along the way here in Maryland. All of our wonderful friends that have supported our mission.
And then I reached out and I put on this pin bullish on Maryland. And I thought, how appropriate today. Bullish on Maryland, bullish on Baltimore County, and bullish on HEVI.
Thank you.
So congratulations, this is a big deal for our county.
You can look at a place like Trade Point Atlantic and major companies like BMW and Amazon, and we are just thrilled to welcome HEVI to that mix here up in White Marsh.
We are in a special place and I can't be more delighted. Manufacturing has been on my plate for years and years, and every time a new manufacturing plant comes online, I can't be any happier.
You could have went anywhere, overseas, another state, another county, any jurisdiction, but you picked Baltimore County to be your home. We know that you're going to be providing jobs.
Myself and my entire family is the product of one good job. So 5 dozen creates an awful lot of good jobs and an awful lot of families that'll be fed and taken care of.
I'm excited about those 5 dozen jobs. I'm excited to see growth in Baltimore County, and particularly I'm excited about manufacturing.
2, 1, and yeah! The way to achieve success is to work with the best people you can, and I could not have been blessed to have met better friends in our journey, sharing our vision, and that's what gives me the confidence to get it done.